Hello ICTA students, welcome. First of all, remember, what do? Show and hide, make sure you've got it on. You can see the backward P, the paragraph symbol, and make sure no spacing is turned on. Alright, in this lesson, what we're going to do is learn how to insert online pictures. So we want to go to Insert, we want to go to Online Pictures. Now, we can search for any picture that we want. So I'm going to say, let's search for sunsets. Alright, so key in sunsets and press enter. And now we have a collective number of pictures here that you can choose from. Okay, so scroll through and see what you like for a sunset. Alright, and as soon as you click on a picture, you can click on Insert. And it'll come in very large, and that's fine. Now, don't touch the middle handles, only the corner handles when you go to size a picture. And now the reason for that is that you will make the perspective of the picture stay perfect. So grab the corner handle with your double-headed arrow, okay, your double-headed arrow, and size it down. Grab it and size it down until it's a nice size. Right now, if you tried to move it, you can't. We need to make it square. So go to this little icon and choose Square. Now with your four-headed arrow, you can move your picture. Alright? Okay, and now here, if you went up here, this is going to rotate your picture. Okay, that's going to rotate your picture. Now, if it gets off balance for you, the other thing that you can do is that you see Picture Tools here, Format, and you see your Rotate button. And you can rotate it 90, or left 90, or you can flip it vertical, or you can flip it horizontal. Alright, so I want to go back here and get it back to where I want it. So there you go. And the other thing you can also do is you've got picture styles. Okay, you've got many picture styles. Hover over and then pick what you think is a nice picture style for your picture, whatever you chose. Alright, so whichever one you liked, then you choose it, and that's fine. Alright, let's try it one more time. So one more time, we're going to go to Insert. We're going to go to Online Pictures. And this time I want to search for dogs. Okay, and press enter. And I want to pick out a dog that's kind of sitting. You know, something like this or something like this. Or, you know, a dog that's standing. This will work good, whichever one you want there. And here's another. Oh, there's a cute pair. Good morning. Let's take them. I like them. Insert. Okay, now watch. If I stretch them out like this, do you see? Okay, I got to go up here further so that you can see it. Do you see how they get stretched out incorrectly? That's why you don't use a center handle. Now, remember I've taught you Control Z to undo. Alright, now if you drag them this way, they're going to look funny. So again, Control Z to undo. Alright, so use your corner handle and size them down so that both pictures are side by side. That's good. And what do you have to remember? We have to go here to this icon and say Square. Now you can move them where you want. Alright, and go get a frame. So go to your Format and pick out a frame that works for these dogs. That doesn't look good. Well, there was a better one there. Oh, I think I'll go with that one. Okay, so that's how you put a picture in your document, and you remember to put in square, and then if you want to move it, you can move it anywhere that you want. Alright, we will do one more thing here. I want to put one more picture in. I want to size this one down a little bit more. Okay, so I got 3 pictures, and I'm going to size this one down a little bit more. So size them down so that we got 3 pictures. Okay, we got 2 there, and we're going to put another one in. So now let's go to Insert. Let's go to Online Pictures and search for, and I'll say search for cats, just in case somebody's a cat lover, not a dog lover. Okay, pick out anything that's cute to you. It doesn't matter. Where's a pretty cat? Oh, that's kind of a nice cat. Okay, I'll go with that one. Alright, now, first thing, make a square. Okay, now grab a corner handle, size it down so that it will fit like this. Okay, it'll fit like this. Now, pick out a frame that's going to work for your cat. Yeah, that's okay. Alright, so now you should have 3 pictures here. Okay, now here's what I want to show you. Click on the first picture, hold down your Shift key, click on the second picture, and click on the third picture. So you now have 3. Here's one set of handles, another set of handles, another set. All 3 pictures are selected. Now take a look. You see the word align. I want you, now look at your pictures, and it depends on the size of your pictures what you'll go with, but take a look here. We can align their middles. So now the middles of the picture are aligned. Look at the handles, okay? Look at the handles. They're aligned. That might look good. Go to Align and say align their bottoms. Now the bottom handles are aligned. Which do you like better? I think in my case, aligning the middle looks better. So you have to design. Now, if I went to align top, that doesn't really look that good. So let's go back to align middle. You choose what looks good for you. Now, here's the nice thing, okay? Look at the space between the pictures, okay? Mine looks pretty good, but it's maybe not perfect. Watch. I'm going to go align and say distribute horizontally. Oh, and mine were perfect. Okay, I'm going to click off for a second here, and I'm going to move this over. Oh, I'll move it over to about here, okay? And I'll move this one over here. All right, I'm going to select all 3. All right, now I'm going to align their middles in case I moved them out and you saw the move. Now I'm going to go to align and say distribute horizontally. So now do you see it put equal space? It put equal space between the pictures. It did it for me. You don't have to judge. Now look, we're going to click on group and say group. All right, and now if I go back and I click on the pictures, you'll see the frame. I can move them anywhere I want. And that's what you want to be able to do. So in your assignments, you are going to be asked to put in 3 pictures of your choice. Line their middles or bottoms, whichever is appropriate. You're going to be asked to distribute them horizontally, and then you have to group them. So pretty easy, and you will find this to be lots of fun. That's the end of this lesson.